Welcome to Square Takeoff's How-To Video series. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to reorder your templates or your folders within your templates. Let's get started. First, we need to go to our template screen by selecting the estimator located in the left-hand column and then selecting templates. Within templates, you can go ahead and reorganize these accordingly by selecting the reorder template function. When you select this will allow for you to reorganize the individual template sets. So for example, if we wanted to move our masonry up, we can also reorganize our folders within those templates. For example, moving labor to the very top. Once we're done and we're happy with the current order, we just simply hit close and it'll save those items. And there we go. Thank you for watching today's how-to video.